All right, so the anchor light is burnt out, so I'm going up to check that out. I've got my multimeter with me and a harness on, and so we're gonna go up and see if we can figure out what's going on. Okay, I'll let you catch up. Okay. Got a block there and a place for another one on this side. Wondering if those could have been used for lazy jacks. Let's see what we got up here. Oh man. Okay, cleat it.
There he is, he's way up there. We brought some of our climbing gear with us. We've done quite a bit of climbing. So we brought that and then just sent him up on the halyard. We have the nice steps on our mast. So that's good. And then I just got him cleated off down here. So should be pretty safe. I think he's got some press-it cords up there too. If he wants to tie himself in with a press-it cord up there, he can do that too.
Oh, this doesn't look right. What? Got it? Okay. That's not right. Trying to see other masts. I think there should be a cap here. And then of course, well, we got a couple. Got some lines going to the VHF. And I got a red and black cord. Oh man. Yeah, this is not right. Yeah, there's no nav lights, no anchor light, no Windex, no wind speed indicator. It's all gone. And I guess I don't know what to do about that. Okay, good news or bad news?
Oh, good news.
There isn't any.
What's up there?
Nothing.
Nothing.
It looks like he hit a bridge and just ripped everything off the top.
Oh no. There's not even like a cap.
There's no cap.
So it just rains right down.
There's no cap. There's no Windex. There's no, I mean, it's just, looks like he put another VHF antenna up there.
Okay.
But even if you look down, you can see some wires, but there's not even really wires. They're cut and broken down in the.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
So that's the only thing I can think of. He hit a bridge or something.
Yeah.
I mean, there's even like a.
Look at me a minute. So that means this project just turned into a big project. Not just change a light bulb, big project.
Big project.
Okay.
We didn't get much sailing done the rest of the weekend, as we came up with a game plan for how to proceed with this new project. We did fuss around with the staysail here and seeing if it will fit into this extra sail bag that we have so that it can sit out on the deck and be covered and protected out of the sun. I also got some ribbon and attached it to all of our side stays. This way, since we don't have a wind indicator, we can use ribbon as our wind indicator for now. Like and subscribe in order to keep up with how things are going with Sunshine.